about you? I'm Mommy Cindy. Welcome to our vlog. What are we going to do?
We're gonna eat different ice cream
From
from ice.
ice. Oh, first, what's this? This
Chocolate.
chocolate. Try natin. Patay si Mommy. Yan. Tulog na. Tingin si Mommy, matigil. Yung chocolate niya. Ate.
Ako naman. No.
Konti lang, bigyan sila yan. Sila yan. Taste na, yummy. Anong taste? Chocolate.
It's this one.
What's this? This is
Melon milk.
melon milk.
But it's
Milk melon.
baliktad dito, Mami.
Mami muna, mami ha. Sarap. Dating mo kagap. Ito, try mo nga. Wow! Huli! Abot na yan. Sarap. Oh, later na, later. What's next? This one is chocolate. Meron. Oreo. May cookies. This one. Mami. Sarap. Ayan, putik daw muna. This one.
Mommy, my teeth are gonna get cold.
Yummy?
Yeah. My teeth gonna get cold.
This one naman is fruit. Fruit ano to anak? Twister.